Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK Chainlink. Has moved up quite nicely since it hit the low here at 553. We did expect upside from there. It did, however, move up a little bit more than originally anticipated. So I did have before here a slightly different pattern, an ABC in a different form. Didn't work out. Broke through resistance, which makes me consider the next most likely wave pattern. Generally, you know my view about LINK. It continues to be, it's not bullish, at least not yet. Yeah, it can become bullish, but not yet. I won't see anything bullish in this chart until we break at least above $9.63, which is this high of this wave 4 and this wave A. This is just structurally very important, and until then, we don't have anything bullish on the chart. Is what it is. More important would be for me the $11.50 level that puts the entire daily chart trend back into an uptrend. Okay, so just that you know that. Until then, I'm focused here on the downside, and my view is here, as you know, that since June or basically since May, we've been creating this long, actually very clean pattern, triangle pattern, a very weird one, which is basically an ABCDE elite wave pattern. We were waiting for a breakout to the downside, which happened, and normally what you get when you break out of a triangle to the downside like that, you get a very strong sell-off, which we had. Yeah, we broke from $9.40 down to $5.80. Of course, it was related to FTX, but it was already in the pattern. Yeah, we talked about a breakout to the downside, and whenever you break out of a triangle to the downside, then it is normally a very, very impulsive one, which happened here in this case. Sometimes you just need a catalyst. Now that we came down in this wave 1 to the downside here, that you can see if I zoom in a little bit, came down in this wave 1 to the downside, we then obviously retraced. We moved up in a so-called wave A. It's a 3-wave move. Then we came down in a wave B, which did slightly undergo wave 1, basically a flat pattern. And we're now moving up in this C wave, and the ABC pattern here creates a wave 2. So there is no sign that this is currently topping. Yeah, there's topped yet, but it looks fairly complete. Yeah. We can also calculate, so there's a few ways how we can calculate now a target. So first of all, we can calculate a target for this C wave here. We do that by taking the length of the A wave and we add it to the low of the B wave, and you can see we've reached, it's a bit difficult to see now, but yeah, it's annoying. Let me just, so the first target is already reached, the 1-to-1 ratio, so forget about the first target. The second target is the 1.618. I mean, theoretically this could go all the way up to the 1.618 extension at $8.23. Yeah, that's possible, but we need to be ready at any moment. This can turn around now, so, but we'll get to that in a minute. Another way of calculating the target is just by taking a look at the Fibonacci retracements of the wave 1. And we've got here the next resistance levels are $7.67, $8.10, which is the 61.8% fib level, yeah, which is very similar to the 1.618 extension I just showed you. So the 61.8 fib level is one of the most relevant ones, and then we've got the 78.6% fib level, which it shouldn't really go above. That's $8.71. So this is where we are. It can still go higher, yeah. And as I said, the 61.8% fib level is very much in line with the 1.618 extension I showed you. Anywhere in this area, it can already turn around. Highest likelihood, I would say, is sort of in this region around $8 actually. Yeah, because we've got the 1.618 extension target plus the 61.8% fib retracement target, and then we should move down in wave 3. And then we can already make some assumptions about target for the wave 3. We talk here about, this could go full bear mode into the $2 range, but my first target would be here the 1-to-1 ratio around $4.50. Yeah, because all of this could just become a diagonal pattern, as it seems. But yeah, that's my update in the very short term as well. You can see we're already quite high on the 4-hour RSI. We're already seeing a bearish divergence, so need to be ready that this is not the time to go long anymore. Not for me, yeah. But rather that this is obviously a short trade area here, where I would personally set a stop loss above the area. But this can come down from any moment now, yeah. Short term though, let me see, very short term. I mean, this still would support higher prices here, very short term. You know, the thing is, I gave you the sort of the, let's say, the high probability area around the $8 mark, but on the 4-hour you already see a bearish divergence. Bearish divergence just means it could turn around at any moment, so you know, time to watch it. Okay, but that's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.